Hey beauties, today I'm sharing my Nordstrom anniversary sale dupes or lookalikes, looks for less, whatever you want to call it. We are duping out some anniversary sale fashion pieces. I've been doing this video for the past 3 years and it's one of my favorites to shop for and film for you guys. So I really hope that you enjoy. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra and I post lots of fashion and beauty content. We are bougie on a budget around here, so if you are too, hit that subscribe button and let's get into these anniversary sale dupes. A lot of these items are sold out dupes too, so you know they're good. Item number one is this button-up corduroy top. I styled it how I would wear it right now, transitioning from summer to fall. You could totally switch out the shoes for booties, switch out the shorts for jeans. It is long enough to cover the booty for leggings. This corduroy top is a dupe for 2 different options from Nordstrom. There's one in the BP brand, and then there's another Thread & Supply. They're both around like $30 to $38, which this one runs about the same, but this one is fully in stock and comes in so many more color options. I'm really loving the tortoise shell buttons. It even has a tortoise shell in the sleeves. I like that it has one pocket and that is what the inside looks like. I actually really like the drop shoulders. As you can see, the sleeves are not that long on me. I am only 5'1", so that does tend to be an issue, but this sleeve length is perfect for me. Did pick this one up in my regular size medium. I like that it's already giving me that oversized fit. Underneath, I'm wearing this bodysuit from Amazon. It comes in a 2-pack, a black and a white. I really like the thin straps and it is double lined down to right there. It hits at the perfect spot for these Target acid wash shorts, which I really love. Been wearing these nonstop, and sandals are from Walmart by Scoop. I was so excited when I found a pink plaid like the one that I saw at Nordstrom, because the one at Nordstrom was like $89 and I found this one on Amazon for like 30-ish. It does have a super soft fabric on the outside. It's like a brushed sort of fuzzy fabric. On the inside, I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little itchy, but I'm hoping that goes away once I wash it. It actually goes down really long in the back. I styled it with bodysuit and some leggings underneath. These booties are actually from the Nordstrom anniversary sale by Jessica Simpson. I really love these. I'll link my anniversary sale haul down below. Leggings are the Spanx faux leather leggings, and then the same Shein bag with the Amazon chain that I've had for a while now. I really love this one. There is one that's very similar from Walmart that just released, so I'll link that one as well. Love pink and gray together. I'll show you how it looks styled with some gray jeans, but you could totally style this with, you know, denim shorts for a transition look the way I styled the corduroy one. This dupe is an oldie but a goodie. I think this one was featured in my first Amazon Nordstrom sale dupes video, and it's still available on Amazon. It still looks amazing. I've had this for 3 years, y'all. I love it so much. So it has the 2 zippered pockets, the zipper in the arms. It's actually really stretchy. So I want to say that this one is a small. Definitely recommend this one. It does come in several other colors, and this one I was trying to dupe the blank NYC, but I know there are several suede jackets available in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I did actually pick up the blank NYC one that I'm trying to dupe out with this one. I will show you guys that in the next outfit. I mean, the inside lining isn't the greatest, but the outside looks great. So I'm not even mad about it. I'm still wearing that same bodysuit underneath with these Levi's 721 high-rise skinny jeans. These were available at the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I did already have them. I picked them up on sale on Amazon Prime. These are a great pair of stretchy high-rise, great fitting Levi's. The booties are also from the anniversary sale. Let's talk about this jacket because this is the blank NYC jacket that I just duped out. This one is in a deeper, more chocolate color. I really love this color and I was so happy that I waited till this year to buy it. But the collar is very similar. Also the zipper pockets. This one does have a belt. I'm glad that there are some differences between my suede jackets. Just a little variety in my closet. Moving on to the skirt. Now I did see a ribbed sweater skirt included in the anniversary sale and it was black. When I saw the cream version on Amazon, I kind of needed the cream instead. This one does come in a black option if you do like black more. I just really loved the look of the sweater skirt. I could definitely style this into the holidays. I just think it's so cute even with some booties styled down. It's a very thick, great quality knit ribbed sweater fabric. I love the slit. It fits true to size. I did order this in a medium, stretchy waistline, very high-end feeling. And it's actually not see-through. I am still wearing this bodysuit. I'm telling you guys, this 2-pack, they are the best basics ever. And I did just style it with these braided heels. These are from Forever 21. The last time I looked, they were sold out, but I have seen similar on Amazon. I'm still trying to decide on these. I think they might just be too long and that's what's throwing me off. But these joggers are a dupe for the Nike pair that was very popular. They're very similar in that they have the front stitching down the leg and they are more of an oversized style. I ordered these in a medium. Maybe if I would have sized down, they wouldn't have been so long. But then again, I don't know. I feel like maybe they just run long. I might just cut off the stretchy part of these and just wear them as regular, you know, straight leg sweatpants because they do look too long when they're scrunched up like that. What do y'all think? Before I cut these, leave your opinion down below because I definitely need help. But they are really good quality. The outside is very soft. The inside is super soft as well. It's more of like a terry cloth though. I like buying off-branded things like this just because I can switch out between Nike and Adidas. Okay, I'm definitely feeling like fall right now. But this is a head-to-toe outfit of dupes. So let's start at the top. This bodysuit is very similar to one by Good American. I searched high and low Amazon to make sure that the buttons went from the top all the way down the way the Good American one does. I really loved that one and I almost bought it, but even on sale it was kind of expensive, so I did find a good dupe and I'm so happy that I did. I actually sized up to a large on this one because I didn't want it too tight. So I'm really glad that I did because it does have that extra room, but it still looks good, you know, under a form-fitting skirt. Now let's talk about the skirt because I was trying to dupe out the blank NYC suede one, but I came across this one. I needed it. It is a faux leather. It's not actually faux suede, but it does have these really great pockets and the stitching down the front is gorgeous. I love that it has this waistline right here and then the bottom is laser cut. You guys, this one is so good. It's not too shiny. It doesn't look like super fake leather. It does have unexposed zipper in the back. You can see my bodysuit there. I want to say this one also comes in other colors. Usually on Amazon, everything comes in other colors, which is why I love Amazon so much. It is actually really soft on the inside, and I did order this in my regular size medium. I actually like the length. I don't think it's too short. These over the knee boots are absolute perfection, you guys. I love the pointed toe. I love the heel in the back. They do also have a zipper in the back, so they're super easy to get on and off. They're actually pretty stretchy, and as you can see, the whole time I've been wearing them, they really haven't ridden down, which is really nice. I did go through all the reviews, and they are wide calf friendly. I might have to pick these up in the cognac color as well because they're comfortable. The heel is not too high, and the faux suede on these is just too good. This top isn't a dupe for anything in particular really, but when I got it in, I realized how similar it is to literally any Free People top. It is so good that I couldn't not talk about it immediately. The fabric is so soft, definitely up on Free People quality. It even has the laser cut open stitch detail that Free People does a lot, and the balloon sleeves are so cute. I love the little pocket detail. I did style with the faux leather leggings and the over the knee dupes. I did throw on the cream handbag just to kind of brighten up the look. Great for leggings. As you can see, it does cover everything in the front and dip down low in the back. The fabric is actually ribbed, and it actually feels like a brush fabric too, so it's sort of like fuzzy at the same time. Very soft and comfortable. Definitely feel styled for winter in this one, but this neon pink puffer jacket I had to share because there was a puffer bomber style jacket in the anniversary sale, and that one sold out so fast. Even before card members had access, that one was gone. It never came back, so I'm not sure if a lot of y'all saw that one, but it was so cute, and I actually had this one from Amazon since last year. It kept me warm in the mountains. It has a hole for your thumb. There are pockets on the inside, which I think is great. Only on one side, but still, you get an inside pocket. That's awesome. On the outside, the pockets are lined with the same lining as this one, the super soft warm one, and the pockets are zippered. Oh yeah, and a hood. I did pick this one up in a size medium. Absolutely love this. Even the fit of this, where it goes in and comes out, it's very flattering, even zipped up for being a puffer style jacket. I just have a V-neck t-shirt from Forever 21. This is their organic line. I really like these. The same Levi's 721 jeans, and then these Sherpa tongue boots. These are actually from Walmart. I really hope that they bring these back. I tried to have some fun with this Sherpa jacket instead of going to my go-to leggings, t-shirt, and slip-on tennis shoes for Sherpas. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. This plaid Sherpa is very similar to two options from the anniversary sale. The options that I did see were actually lavender, but you get the same kind of vibe with the pastel pink plaid. This one is actually in stock, comes in so many different colors, and is a Amazon top seller every single year. I love how long it is. It does go long enough for leggings. I did stick with my true size medium. It's got a nice oversized fit. Sleeves are to my fingertips, but honestly, I'm not mad at that. In the winter time, you know, I kind of cover and cuddle up, so it's very oversized and cozy. I do really love the oversized collar and the front pockets. This one is just so cute and trendy, but a great classic in any other color that you pick up. It's so soft on the inside as well. As you can see, it's super thick and soft. So I actually had already ordered this maxi dress and I saw something very similar on the anniversary sale, so I figured I would include it in this video. So the dress itself is kind of long. I was thinking it was going to be more like a midi. Maybe if I grabbed a belt and I just folded it up into a midi, I think that would be so cute. Or even like one of those TikTok hacks where you tie your dress on the inside. I think that would be so cute too. So this is actually by the Amazon brand Daily Ritual. I did order it in my regular size medium. This like forest emerald green color is gorgeous. I do really like the slit on the side. Let's talk about the booties though, because these are very similar to Nordstrom Anniversary option. These are a stark white crocodile and the stacked heel. These do come in other colors, as did the Nordstrom Anniversary ones. These are made by The Drop by Amazon, so really good quality as well. They fit true to size. They do give you that Western look. Of course, my camera just died. I feel like I've been filming forever, but let's talk about this Amazon The Drop sweater because it is so similar to a Nordstrom Anniversary sale option. When I saw that one on the Nordstrom Anniversary sale, I actually knew that I already had it. I shared this sweater from Amazon The Drop last year in a lot of holiday outfit videos, so I immediately got on Amazon again and ordered it in black. It is so good. I love the puff style sleeves and how it tapers at the wrist. I will say that I feel like this one kind of runs a little big. This one is my regular size medium. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm very comfortable in this and it still looks good, but I'll try on that red one just so you guys can see. Okay, here is the red option. As you can see, the shoulders do kind of hit in my shoulder a little bit better. You are between sizes, go down. These 501 Levi's are actually from the anniversary sale. They are their 501 original cropped. They do have the button fly and just a slight distressing. I'm 5'1" and they hit right underneath the ankle. These sandals are by Just Fab. I do have a Just Fab video coming out soon, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss that content. I got lots of really cute little heeled sandals. Wanted to share my sort of DIY that I came up with to dupe out these brown chain booties from the Nordstrom sale. Honestly, all that I did was go on Amazon and order a 14-inch chain necklace, and I literally just tied it around my shoe. I'll have to take off this extender right here. I think it'll look a lot more clean with just the little hanging chain, but I wanted a silver and black option, and I really didn't want to have to go out and buy an all new pair of shoes for just a trend. So I did also attach it to this nude suede pair just so you guys could see. On this pair, I was actually able to weave the chain through this pull tab right here, and I just folded it over and it kind of hides that. I still will have to take off the extender on the chain. Depending on the shoe that you're trying to add the chain to, you can attach it, and this one I feel like looks a little bit more spot on. Don't mind my missing nail, it fell off while I was filming. I would still totally wear them like this though. So very customizable, very easy. It didn't take me long to connect the necklace to my shoe. And so yeah, I thought it was a good idea. I thought I would share since it was not a fail. We have made it to the end of this Nordstrom anniversary sale looks for less video. I hope you guys enjoyed the pieces that I showed you today. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and hit the thumbs up button. You know, all the major things every YouTuber ever asks you to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.